As we step into 2025, have you set your intentions for this new year? What if this year could be your turning point? When your faith grows stronger, your heart connects deeply with Allah, and your life becomes filled with barakah. Stay with me, because today we'll uncover powerful practical steps to elevate your iman and make 2025 your year of spiritual transformation. Step 1. Start 2025 with Fajr prayer. Imagine beginning every day in 2025 with the tranquility of Fajr prayer. The Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, said, "Whoever prays Fajr in congregation, it is as if he has prayed the entire night." This could be your first step toward spiritual success this year. Challenge yourself to start your mornings with this incredible act of devotion and see how it sets a positive tone for your day. Step 2. Dive into the Quran. One verse at a time. The Quran holds timeless wisdom, perfectly relevant for every new year. This 2025, make it a habit to reflect on one verse daily. For instance, Surah An-Nahl 1697 reminds us, "Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while they are a believer, we will surely give them a good life." Imagine the clarity and purpose this habit can bring into your life. Step 3. Establish a daily dua routine. Dua is your most powerful tool for 2025. As Allah promises in Surah Ghafir 40:60, "Call upon me, I will respond to you." Make it a goal to ask for specific things this year, your dreams, challenges, and even small hopes. Trust in Allah's wisdom and watch how your life transforms in ways you didn't imagine. Step 4. Practice gratitude every day. This year, let gratitude be your guide. The Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, said, "He who does not thank people is not thankful to Allah." Every night in 2025, jot down 3 blessings you are grateful for. Whether big or small, this habit will bring peace to your heart and a new appreciation for life. Step 5. Surround yourself with inspiring people. 2025 is the year to choose your company wisely. The Prophet, PBUH, said, "A person is upon the religion of their close friend." Find those who motivate you to pray, learn, and serve Allah. Make them your support system, and watch how it strengthens your faith. Step 6. Commit to small acts of service. Serving others for the sake of Allah is one of the most rewarding ways to grow in faith. The Prophet, PBUH, said, "The best of people are those who are most beneficial to others." Can you commit to one small act of kindness every week this year? It could be as simple as sharing a meal or comforting someone in need. This isn't just a resolution, it's a commitment to transform your soul in 2025. Picture yourself at the end of the year, your heart brimming with iman, your connection with Allah stronger than ever, and your life enriched with barakah. Let's make this year one of spiritual growth and endless blessings. If this inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's make 2025 unforgettable together.